What's up, dudes? Apologize ahead of time for my appearance. I'll tell you what happened here and how I fixed the truck. So, after much heartache and headache and heartburn, it was an electrical issue, right? Which we kind of knew from the beginning. So, somehow, in the past couple days, I was trying to show Kenny where the AC compressor is down there, right? So in trying to do that, I had to reach underneath of the fuse block, and my guess is that I moved that fuse block somehow. So I tried everything I could think of, and what I got stuck on was when I was hitting the remote control for the car to lock and unlock it. I don't know if you can see it over there or not. No, you probably can't. Over there is the passenger side door through the window, right? And over there you can kind of see the door lock button that goes up and down. So I'm sitting here hitting the button. So I'm thinking fuse somewhere, electric something, right? So I start messing around and I'm talking to my stepdad and Fez and Kenny and all these different people that are helping me out, which God bless them, I wouldn't have got halfway as far as I did without it. So here's what I got to. It's the fuse block, right? And all the fuses for the whole truck are in there. And I noticed that when I was going in there and starting the truck, turning the key anyway, it wasn't starting, that I was getting all these error messages up here. One of them being theft deterrent system, service theft deterrent system, service four-wheel drive, service fuel pump. I got a bunch of different things. So it kind of got it narrowed down to it had something to do with all this. So at some point I come over here and I have Ron sitting in the truck and I'm testing shit and I go like this on this wire and the truck starts. Let it go, truck stops. No fuel, no nothing. So I take the fuse block off, and what I found is that the nuts right here, or bolts, 1, 2, and 3, run down through the block, the head of the block, and into a circuit board underneath that's connected to this wire. For one, on the back there's some more, but on the front side, so somehow that thing wasn't making it all the way into that receiver for the bolt. So I think what was happening is that the top of the fuse block, where all the male pins are, weren't making good connections with the bottom of the fuse block where all the female receivers were. Took it apart, put pressure underneath of that thing, like on the bottom of the circuit board that the bolt fed into, that had the receiving nut on it, and I pushed up on that sucker as I was putting that thing in there, and it got a lot tighter than it was. So then I put it back down, put all the connections on, got in and turned the key. It choked for a minute, I think because I used up all the fuel that was in the line before it stopped working, and then it turned over. And now it's been running for 10 minutes with no problem at all. So, phew, I gotta go get a beer. Anyway, that's your update. Thanks for everybody that helped.